to the team Farhan sir, Rina ma'am, Joshi sir, Obiyachan, teachers, parents, and dear children. Hope you all enjoyed the session and you feel warm. I can see that from your faces. So, thank you for conducting this session here. And about geology, I was also not aware of, but now I think I know. So, for a better future of yourselves, it is very important that you understand your own skills, your personality, where is it, and what all are the things that is lacking or hindering your personality development, and keep that away so that you be a better person, a better comforted person, a better peaceful person, and a strong person. So all that you need when you are in your stage of, I think it is 8th, 9th, 10th, 6th onwards. Okay. So you are in your teens. So God bless you all to be strong persons. And once again, thank you, the Live Wire team, for coming all over here for this session. Thank you, Joshi sir, once again. And God bless everyone.